Meet Sammy and Todd. Sammy and Todd are real estate investors who love to find undervalued properties that, with a little TLC, can be sold or rented for a profit. Think fix and flip, BRRRR, and other common investment strategies. Now, like most investors, Sammy and Todd have one goal: make a lot of money as quickly and efficiently as possible. Because in this business, cash flow is king. But there's a big difference between Sammy and Todd. It's not something that most real estate investors think about or even want to think about, but should, because it can make a huge impact on their bank account. They're lenders. Sammy decides to choose a lender who focuses on her and her long-term goals. Todd, on the other hand, chooses a lender who's willing to commit to one deal at a time. They don't really care about him or his plans for the future. Sammy's lender likes to offer her options, a lot of them. They consider her income, the number of properties she owns, what she plans to do with her new property, and so much more. Then they crunch the numbers, predict different outcomes, and return to her with a list of terms, rates, and everything else that will help her choose the best loan for her. So whether she's looking for a quick 3-month hard money loan or a 30-year mortgage, her lender has her back. Dun 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 dun! Todd's lender offers him one loan option. That's it, just one. They either don't have the ability to offer him more options, or they just don't care to try. They're looking out for themselves, not Todd. Sammy's lender also likes to help her out by handling the majority of the paperwork. That way, she can focus on what she loves doing best: buying properties and making money. It also means she doesn't get bogged down in the loan process, which means she's able to close her deals a lot faster. Meanwhile, Todd's closing process grinds to a halt because his lender gives him a giant stack of paperwork to complete all on his own. And while Todd struggles to fill out that paperwork so he can close his deal, Sammy is already looking for her next one. She immediately contacts the same lender she used before because they've already established a solid, efficient system together. They've become a team, a great team. As Sammy flies through her second deal, Todd finally finishes his first. But before he can even start looking for his second property, Sammy is ready for a third. Todd finds a house and frantically shops around for a new lender. When he finally finds one, he realizes it's going to be the same process as before. Tons of paperwork, little human interaction, and limited options. It's going to be slow going. Poor Todd is quickly falling behind, while Sammy's cash flow multiplies. She and her lender are whipping through deal after deal after deal. It goes to show the lender you choose really, truly matters. So which one will you choose? These guys or this guy? Dun 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 dun!